not necessary, the water is coming.
Hey Master, what will you say about this?
About what, saving the world?
About the whole thing?
Oh, the world is already saved. Now, waiting for a great wave to get rid of it. I have to say something. So you would say here, exactly here.
Yes?
I have to say something very important.
Okay, you have 3 seconds.
Ready?
Yes.
My time?
Mm-hmm.
Better place to cross the boat, jumping the plan, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is perfect plan.
The boat and take it across it. Like that whole bullshit, let's go.
Let's go to save the world.
Let's about, but if we stay the whole time here, it's costing